In a world where so much is thrown away, there is beauty in pausing, in holding on to the title things and asking, what else could you become? A simple glass or plastic bottle, once emptied and forgotten, can be transformed into a treasure with your craft. Every bottle breathes a new life, wrapped in the warmth of natural fibers. For this season, from this festival season, we can make a beautiful craft bottles in this season, in this festival. So this would be a very beautiful masterpiece on your dining table, adorned with texture pattern and handmade love. Imagine a plain bottle reborn as a rustic vase, carrying fresh flowers into your living room. Picture it glowing as a soft lantern wrapped in jute and fairy lights, turning darkness into gentle warmth. Colorful jute. See it standing tall on your shelf, dressed in earthy threads and tiny embellishments, becoming more than decor, becoming art. Recrafting bottles with jute craft is not just about recycling, it is about storytelling. Every twist of the rope, every knot tied, every bead or lace added tells a tale of patience and creativity. It's a reminder that sustainability can be elegant, that beauty can be simple, and that the most ordinary objects can hold extraordinary charm. You can make it. You can design it yourself by yourself. When you can say, I made this masterpiece. When you recycle and reimagine, you are not only saving the planet, you are also shaping your home with soul. Each bottle becomes a symbol of care, a reflection of your imagination, and a little piece of sustainable art that carries timeless beauty. Recraft, recycle, reimagine. Because Jute Craft, even the simplest bottle can shine with the glow of love, creativity, and endless possibility. We can make more videos like this, more ideas for you. Hope you like that all ideas and designs. In every home, bottles come and go. Glass, plastic, tall, small, they serve their purpose and then they are tossed aside. But what if instead of throwing them away, we get them a new life? What if every empty bottle became a canvas waiting for your hands to turn it into art? With jute craft, recycling becomes an act of beauty. The humble rope of jute, natural and earthy, embraces bottles like a second skin, wrapping them in texture that breathe warmth and simplicity. Every knot tied, every strand woven, transform a forgotten object into something soulful. A plain bottle, once holding water, now dressed in jute thread, standing tall as a rustic flower vase, another wrapped gently with braided jute adorned with shells, beads, or lace, become a centerpiece for your dining table. One more glowing from within turns into a lantern where the soft light filters through the handmade wave, creating shadows like poetry across your walls. This is the essence of jute craft. Simple material, endless imagination. It's about slowing down, touching the texture, breathing the earthy scent of natural fiber, and watching your hands give new meaning to what once was waste. Recrafting bottle is more than decor. It is lifestyle. It whispers sustainability. It teaches patience. It reminds us that true beauty is not bought, it is created. Every story a reflection of your creativity and a symbol of care for the earth. Jute craft is timeless. It belongs in cozy homes, in modern spaces, in festive celebration, and in everyday corners that deserve a touch of handmade love. A set of jute wrapped bottles can stand proudly on a shelf, line a wedding table, light up a holiday evening, or simply sit by a window holding fresh flowers kissed by sunlight. Recraft, recycle, reimagine, rejoice. Because when you weave with jute and recycle with heart, you do more than decorate. You breathe life into forgotten things. You create art that lasts. You create beauty that matters. Let every bottle tell a story. Let every knot of jute carry warmth. Let every creation remind you the most ordinary objects can hold ordinary charms when touched with love, patience, and imaginations. Thank you for watching. I wish where you are from watching, I wish all women will be happy, all men, all person will be happy after a long. So viewers, if you like the video, if you like these designs and ideas, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like this video. If you like your comments will be most precious things for me. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Spread happiness. Spread all beautiful things you have to increase. If you want to good things, if you want to have good things, so spread this. Spread beauty. Spread things, personal things. Spread money. Give money. So more you have. I wish all person will be happy. Keep smiling, keep shining. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Keep smiling, keep shining. God bless you.